Okay, under the JavaScript folder, you can create one folder called basic of JavaScript. One more folder. So this basic JavaScript will be the first step. Another folder. No, inside JavaScript a folder called basic. Inside JavaScript only. First you create a JavaScript folder. Under that folder, you create a folder called basic. Not able to hear anything? Other people? Sound is coming. Anyone can reply? Okay. Then Natarajan have internet problem. Okay. Next folder you will create. That will be called as a data binding. Second folder. Data binding. Data binding. Second folder. Data binding. One more folder we can create. Call third one JavaScript API. API and JSON server. API and JSON server. The fourth folder we can create Ajax space class and object. Ajax space class and object. Now let me take the folder of JavaScript contents what we are going to learn. This file shall I share in the chat? You can download the file, it will be helpful for you. internet error. Okay, so file is look like again it will fail. To connect with the mobile again, network look like little congested. Able to send. I have message them to restart the router. Wait for a minute. Once it's starting, we'll send you again. So here is the content. So first we'll start from JavaScript, very basic. That is called control structure and variable declaration. In that we will come to know if else, nested if, switch case. Those all will come here. Then looping will start, do while loop and other things. Before that, we have another line called data types and variables, how to create the variable, what are the data type and how it works. Okay, next we will come under the array. Array will be single dimensional, multi-dimensional, nested array. Then we have next called function. The function will be of multiple types with parameter, without parameter and all, we'll see. So till here, this many functionality, we will be finishing in first 4 to 5 classes. This much. With the different type of example, first 4 to 5 classes will go here. Okay, and in that, we will be using the only CMD. This output will not come in the browser. Okay, this output will come in CMD command prompt. You can make your volume 0. Volume 0 now. Okay, so this much we will be spending through the CMD directly. And after that, next after that, data binding will start. Data binding. Data binding is nothing but from the JavaScript, your output will go to the browser directly using HTML. So there, this all topics will get covered. You can log out now if you are here only while login. Not able to send even. It's showing network error. Okay, so these all are going to come under the events. Mouse, keyboard, and all many more are there. So this all will come under the HTML, JavaScript together under the data binding. Till here, till here all are data binding only. Till here, different type of example. Next, we will have call. So till here, second week is finished. Okay. Now third week will start. In the third week, you will have this one: how to create a server, how to save the data, how to fetch the data, how to delete the data, all end to end. Next, after that, the fourth week will start. In the fourth week, we will be learning this one, JavaScript Ajax, and along with that, one more topic, form validation. and then class object inheritance. So that way it will take 4 weeks of time if everything is well. Okay, so next we will understand how to create the file and how to run it. Internet is started. Let me disconnect from the phone. Okay, this time the file is transferred. Check now. Anyone is login in mobile. In mobile, that file will not show. Check once is showing. That will come only in the laptop if you are login using the Zoom app. So group I need to send, so I have to log in here in WhatsApp. WhatsApp is not login as of now. Okay, done then. Go ahead. We will create the file and we'll run how to, we will learn how to run the file and how to see the output. Okay, so today file will go under the basic folder. Today file what we are going to create, it should come under the basic folder. Under the basic folder. So go to the basic folder and type here CMD. So you will follow me. I gone to the JavaScript, then I gone to the basic folder. Under basic folder, we click here and type there called CMD. CMD is open close. Now after that, right there. Okay, so we'll not open the this one VS Code directly. Using Notepad++, we'll create one example, simple and clean way. So VS Code, the CMD is pointing to which folder? Basic folder. CMD you have open under the basic folder. Now using the Notepad++ editor, you create a file. Create a file under the basic folder. Give the file name page1.js. Page1.js. This file is not exist. What is the meaning of that? When you write a message, you should write proper message, no? In your system, file is not exist or where it is not exist. Okay, download again. I sent to you. Now it will not go. It's showing network problem. So we'll give it this file tomorrow. Okay. Leave that. Let's start learning from one side. Come to the page 1.js file. In page 1.js file, hope we created the file. In which folder? Basic folder, yes. Right there, console.log. Under the console.log, we will write there, this is working. This is working. Console.log, this is working. Come down to your CMD. Inside the CMD, first you should save the file. Page 1.js file, save it. Come to where? CMD. In CMD, you can write node. First check your node version. Node space -b, enter. Some 12, 13, 14, 16 will be displaying. Node space -v. Showing some version. Okay. Cool. Next, after that, right there, node space your file name. What is the file name? Page 1.js. Enter. Node space page 1.js. Enter. It should print here. What is showing? You have installed the Node.js? Node.js have installed. And what command you wrote? Then when I given node B, catch reference error. Node is not defined. Node space -v. Minus v. Something else you are doing something else. I have asked to open CMD. In which folder? Basic folder. Go to basic folder and open the CMD in basic folder. Let me know for how many people it's working. The message came, this is working. Node space -b. Let me know in the chat. What error? Tell me the error. Which module? Where is the CMD you have open? Have you opened in basic folder? Look at here in the Node.js here in CMD it is saying basic. Is the pointing to basic only or somewhere else? Close the CMD, go to the basic folder, open CMD. Close CMD, go to the basic folder.